I beareth seeds beneath the ground. I cradle roots and maketh mound. I drink the rain without a sound. What mother old whose patience bound? Didst thou guess it? The answer is earth. I pierceth sky with crown of white. I holdeth snow and hoard the night. Though still I stand, my bones are might. What ancient beast in stones delight? Didst thou guess it? The answer is mountain. I suffer time and feel it not. I keep the tale of ages plot. By hammer shaped, by storm forgot. What silent heart the world hath wrought. Didst thou guess it? The answer is stone. I spreadeth wide where labor toils. I gifteth bread from humble soils. I sway with gold as summer coils. What sea of earth doth bear men's spoils? Didst thou guess it? The answer is field. I bloometh proud in fleeting hour. I draweth bee and charmeth shower. I wilt in dusk and lose my power. What fragrant soul doth beauty dower? Didst thou guess it? The answer is flower. The scroll resteth, but the story breathes still.